Today we're going to eat this chicken. It's a Induku Makaya. I bought this one. I didn't take it to my Iswaya Sami. Taking it so siyadla Induku Makaya namhlanje my family libuye lizokudla Induku Makaya. This is the outcome of chicken yethu. Leyo ayikho yelo kahle njengaleyana leli liqude leliya engandle ithenge ntateko kwakungensikazi leli liqude iqude alinonanga yabona insikazi ungayipheki iba yiyelo so but hayi iqude alinonanga shem iphenduke ibe ngeyinye ikhala but yo hayi next time ngizadinga ensikazi because hayi iqude alikho mnandi shem alihalaliseli like ensikazi.
Regulations, and she has to follow them to a T. I agree, Ranveer, that I don't have any place in your life, but others do.
Alright.
I also believe that a mother cannot leave her son, right?
Look at that.